हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए इंग्लिश में लेके आई हूँ बीएड सेकेंड ईयर का 201 का नॉलेज एंड करिकुलम। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, ऑथर ऑफ द बुक स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटीज इन द सेकेंडरी स्कूल इज स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटी इन द सेकेंडरी स्कूल. द आंसर इज एजर जी जॉनस्टन एंड डोनाल्ड सी फोन्स. Second question is, which co-curriculum activity is not a part of social welfare activity? The answer is essay competition. Who is the propounder of the theory of sense realization? The answer is Aristotle. Who is the propounder of the theory of empiricism? John Locke. Question 5. Which branch of philosophy deals with knowledge? Answer is epistemology. When was Hunter Commission established? In 1882. Three-language formula was introduced in 1968. The next question is 8. Which of the following step is not a part of Filter Tower model 1900 to 1967? The answer is curriculum design. Question 9. Who said knowledge is that which enlightens the human mind? Answer is Russell. Question number 10. According to Upanishad, how many types of knowledge are? Answer is 2. In which chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita knowledge is of 3 types? That is 18th chapter. Question 12. Knowledge related theory of rationalism is given by Socrates and Plato. Question number 13. In inclusive method, knowledge is given from specific to general. Number 14. Which of the following statement is false? The answer is D. Knowledge has limits. Question number 15. According to Bloom taxonomy, educational objectives are classified into how many categories? Answer is 3. C option. Which of the following is not part of the cognitive domain? The answer is C. Memory. Question number 70. Which of the following method is based on logic? Both A and B are based on logic. So question number 18. Sources of knowledge are sense experience, rational intelligence, intuition. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a theory of knowledge? Theory of principle of totality of experience. Question number 20. Knowledge is the highest virtue is said by Socrates. Question number 21. Which of the following is the method of acquiring knowledge? Direct method, deductive method, experimental method. All of the above. The answer is D. Which statement is not correct? Knowledge brings culture lag, knowledge preserves culture, knowledge transmits culture, knowledge develops culture. So the answer is knowledge brings culture lag. Who is the author of Emily? Dewey, Russell, Rouse, Adams. The answer is Rouse. Who is the author of Republic? Option Socrates, B. Plato, C. Aristotle, D. Kilpatrick. The answer is Plato. Question number 25. The author of the discovery of the child is A. Froebel, B. Walter, C. Ross, D. Montreuil. The answer is Montreuil. The author of the School and Society is A. Gandhi, B. Dewey, C. Aristotle, D. Russell. The answer is Dewey. Question number 27. Leadership is a process of stimulating, developing and working with people within an organization. Who said this? Stockdale. The answer is Stockdale. Question number 28. Which of the following is not inflective style of leadership? The answer is D. Both B and C. Autocratic style and compromiser style. Question number 29. The quality of leadership is cooperation, sociality, intelligence. All of these are quality of leadership. Question number 30. Which of the following is not part of intellectual qualities of leadership? A. Mental capacity, B. Capacity to take sound decision, C. Vitality and endurance, D. Receptiveness. The answer is vitality and endurance. Question number 30. Which of the following is not a type of leadership? A. Popular leadership, B. Democratic leadership, C. Laissez-faire leadership, D. Autocratic leadership. The answer is popular leadership. How can leadership can be defined? Personal quality, applied skill, art of influence. All of these can be defined. Can leadership be defined? Question number 33. The style of leadership in which one person has complete rights is called democratic style, autocratic style, laissez-faire style, institutional style. The answer is autocratic style. The main component of management is organization, controlling, planning. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Education is a bipolar process. Is a statement of Adams, Rebans, Dewey, Watson. The answer is Adams. Another name of secondary commission is Radha Commission, Mudaliar Commission, Kothari Commission या Hunter Commission. The answer is another name of secondary commission is Mudaliar Commission. Mudaliar Commission was formed on 1952 से 1953. In vocational education curriculum, which subject can not be included? D. spiritual and moral educational program. Number 14, tripolar model of John Dewey. Which of the following is excluded? Teacher, management, student and curriculum. The management is excluded. Question number 41, Radhakrishnan Commission recommended for which level of education? A. Higher education. 42, a curriculum include all those activities which are utilized by the school to attain the aims of education is a statement of. Who said this? A. Froebel, B. Horn, C. Munro, D. Cunningham. The answer is Munro. Which is question number 42, which is not the main basis of curriculum construction? A. Economic. Question number 44. Objectives of curriculum are all-round development, moral development, mental development. All are the objectives of curriculum. Question number 45. The report of the Education Commission 1964 to 1966 is entitled as Education and National Development. Who was the Secretary of Indian Education Commission 1882? Hunter. On the basis of the recommendation of Sadler Commission, Government of India adopted a policy resolution in 1970. The Sadler Commission, Government of India adopted a policy resolution in 1970. Question number 48. Criteria for selection and formation of syllabus are on the basis of aims. According to D.K. Wheeler Model 1967, process of curriculum formulation is divided into 5 steps. Which type of curriculum is based on Gandhiji basic education? That is craft center. Number 51. Who said it curriculum is a tool in the hands of the artist to mold his material according to his idea in his studio, that is school? That is answer is Cunningham. Another name of book center curriculum is subject centered curriculum. Question number 53. Verbal meaning of Curere is race field. Question number 54. Full name of VEP, Vocational Educational Program. Question number 55. Satyam Shivam Sudram is developed by idealism. Question number 56. Who started inclusive education? Question answer is NCF 2005. Agency of which level support the curriculum construction? All of the above. Creating scientific approach in education, credit is given to realism. Question number 59. Aims of education are changes. Question number 60. Logic is a process of mental and intellectual, both A and B. Part of extracurricular activities, NCC, Red Cross, Scouting, all of the above. Answer is D. Question number 62. In teaching process, which of the following is most important? Parents, central government, state government, or teacher? The answer is teacher. In teacher-centered education system, students are audience, speaker, both audience and speaker, none. The answer is audience. Number 64. Learning by doing theory is based on which method? That is laboratory method. Question number 65. Suitable method for teaching at secondary level is demonstration method. Question number 66. All those aids which are used in language teaching for listening are called audio aids. Question number 67. Which aid is called an audio visual aid? Television. Question number 68. In National Steering Committee of NCF 2005, number of members was 35. The Secretary of National Steering Committee of NCF 2005 was Professor Yashpal. Question number 70. Word programmatic is derived from which language? Answer is Greek. Language word is derived from lingua from French. In which three language formula is recommended by which commission? That is Kothari Commission. Which of the following is not the part of the 3R? The answer is response. Question number 74. 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern of education was started compulsory by NEP 1986. Which of the following is not related to curriculum design? That is knowledge. Which of the following is not the step of curriculum design? The answer is evaluation. Of question number 77. Which of the following is not the prominent element of accountability process? How accountability? Question number 78. Which subject is a part of compulsory subject? All of the above. Question number 75. How many types of co-curricular activities are according to E.K. Fredwell? That is 6. Question number 80. Who prepared National Curriculum Framework 2005? That is answer is NCERT. Question number 81. Which of the following is not related to curriculum development? That is based on religious book. Question number 82. Which of the following social factor does not play a role in the curriculum? That is caste of the teacher. Question number 83. Who said teacher is the creator of man? The answer is John Adams. Question number 84. Discipline word is derived from the word disciple. Question number 85. Types of discipline are all of the above. Rapinate discipline, impersonate discipline, impanicipationistic discipline. Question number 86. Negative method for maintaining school discipline is, that is provision for moral education. Question number 87. Discipline is the means whereby children are trained in order lines, good conduct and the habit of getting the best out of themselves, set by Board of Education. Number 88. Who said discipline consists in the submission of one's impulses and power of regulation which imposes from upon child? A. TP. Which co-curricular activity is the part of school publication? That is school magazine. On which day MHRD holds a meeting of Executive Council of NCRT? The answer is 14 July 2004. Question number 91. Which is the following is not the principle of punishment? That is principle of followers. Question number 92. An administrative model was designed by all of the above. Number 93. What is the meaning of word discipline? That is pupil. Question number 94. Which type of discipline is supported by idealism? Impressionistic. Question number 95. Which type of discipline is supported by naturalism? Emancipationistic. Question number 96. Which is the following author supported the punishment through natural consciousness? That is Spencer. Which of the following is not the stage of development of discipline? That is group discipline. Question number 98. Who was the supporter of which punishment? Natural punishment. Which of the following is a positive means of discipline? That is reward. Question number 100. Which of the following is the component of educational process? D. All of the above. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel.